there is a truck. Hey guys, it's Fana and thank you so much for watching. So as you probably have figured out by the thumbnail or title, or I don't know what I end up doing with this video, this is an unboxing video. I won a giveaway by Inside.Dolls on Instagram, and it was a steampunk doll, and I got to tell her what kind of stuff that I would like for the doll and different things that I particularly like in steampunk, and she sent me this beauty. I'm recording this intro right now because I'm dumb and I didn't do any kind of intro when I was unboxing, but I just love it, and go see what kind of goodies she included. Finally, I can say congratulations for winning my 600 followers giveaway. I am so sorry for making you wait for so long, and I just hope that you feel the wait was worth it. I have been wanting to do a steampunk doll forever, and your ideas inspired me so much. I have to say that the face of this doll is one of my favorites, and I just love how the eye colors turned out. The hair is refusing to stay the way I would have liked, but the hat helps a lot. The ring on her legs moved a lot, but I didn't want to glue them just in case you didn't like them. I really hope you like her and the extra goodies I included. Ooh! XOXO Helena. That's so cute. Your handwriting's so cute. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Where's my little ratchet lid? Oh! All these pom-poms! They're so cute! This limited edition custom Monster High Steampunk 500 followers giveaway doll, repainted in Sevilla, Spain, has been meticulously designed by the artist Helena Rodero, Inside.Dolls, and was completed in November 2018. It's such a cute card! Oh, I can't get it out. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, I love her. Oh my god, look at her face.
I absolutely adore this doll. I love how it's steampunk, but it still has a little bit of Helena's inside, like, Spanish roots. And I adore this doll so much. I love that she comes with a little sword and her hat, and she's just absolutely gorgeous. And I cannot thank Inside.Dolls enough for this. Go check her out. I'll be sure to link her down below. And I hope you guys like this little unboxing. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. I hope you have a phenomenal day and keep being extraordinary. Bye!